In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guest names on Booking.com. We'll quickly walk through where to update guest details on an existing reservation so check-in goes smoothly and the property knows who's arriving. On Booking.com, while signed in, look to the top right and open your profile. On desktop, it's your account avatar. On mobile, it may be a menu that opens your account panel. If you're using the app, you might also see a Trips tab along the bottom. It leads to the same place. Choose Bookings and Trips. This shows all upcoming and past reservations in one place, making it easy to manage any stay. Select the booking you want to update. Use the property name or check-in date to make sure it's the right one. Take a quick look at the cancellation or change policy banner on the booking page. Some stays limit changes close to arrival or on non-refundable rates, which can affect whether guest names can be edited. On the booking page, scroll to the Guest Name section and click Edit Guest. Depending on your region or language settings, this may appear under Your Stay or Guest Details. This field represents the lead guest, the main traveler recognized by the property. Enter the guest's first and last name exactly as on their identification. Match the document you'll present at check-in, passport for international stays, or national ID where applicable. Check spelling and special characters, and avoid titles or emojis. If there's a middle name field, and it appears on the ID, add it for a smoother match. If you're traveling with others, this edit usually affects only the lead guest. Additional names are often collected by the property at check-in or in a separate form, depending on local rules. Click Save. You should see a confirmation, and the booking summary will refresh with the updated name. An updated confirmation may also appear in your email or app shortly. If the change doesn't appear right away, reload the page, or go back to Trips and reopen the booking to verify the update. If Edit Guest is missing, grayed out, or you see an error, the rate type or timing may block online changes. In that case, use the messages or help options on the booking page to ask the property or Booking.com support to update the name for you. Provide the correct spelling exactly as on the ID to avoid delays. That's it. Open your profile, go to Bookings and Trips, pick the reservation, edit the guest name, and save. Thanks for watching and have a great trip.